Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you rupees 1 bundle rim. Oh. This is called a rim because it has full serial wise 10 bundle and also has the bank seal. This is bank seal and a sign. This sticker shows which mint it was printed. It was minted in Nashik and it also have 1000 notes. The rim which I have here is also have 1 star note bundle. This increases the rate of the rim. The sign which I am having here is of Shaktikant Das and it is printed on 2007. Sorry, this is 2017. I am sure you all love this beautiful rim. Please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get more notification about the history coins.